You spend hours studying, filling pages with notes, highlighting every paragraph, and reading them over and over again. But by tomorrow, nearly 70% of it has already vanished from your memory. It's frustrating, isn't it? Here's the truth. It's not because you're lazy or have a bad memory. It's because your brain is designed to clear out unused information. That's how it protects itself from overload. But here's what's fascinating. In Japan, students can memorize more than 2,000 kanji characters and keep them for life. So what's their secret? It's not about working harder, it's about learning in a way that works with your brain, not against it. The real problem is the traditional study methods. Rereading, highlighting, and underlining might feel productive, but to your brain, they're nothing more than background noise, just like an ad you scroll past without noticing. Number 1. The memory trap and how to break it. Most students fall into the illusion of learning, the trap where your brain feels like it's learning, but it's just getting comfortable. Think of it like watching cooking videos on YouTube. You feel like a chef until you actually try to cook. The antidote? Force your brain to perform, not just consume. Close the book, look away from your notes. Ask yourself questions as if you were the teacher, not the student. Every time you retrieve a fact from memory without looking, you're telling your brain, this is important, keep it. The more you struggle to recall, the stronger the memory becomes. This is not cramming. This is building neural steel. Number 2, the 10-minute seeds method. Instead of marathon study sessions, think of your learning like planting seeds. You don't dump all the water at once. You give it a little, often. The Japanese mastered this with a method that breaks learning into tiny, laser-focused bursts. Here's how it works. Pick one small topic. Study it for 10 minutes, no distractions, no phone, then walk away. Come back later for another 10-minute seed. Each seed takes root, and over days or weeks they grow into a forest of knowledge you can't forget. The secret here isn't intensity, it's frequency. Small, deliberate doses create stronger, longer-lasting memories than any late-night cramming session ever could. Number 3, spaced repetition, the gardening technique for your brain. If active recall is your workout, spaced repetition is your water schedule. You review information just before you're about to forget it. After 1 day, 3 days, 1 week, 1 month. Each time you revisit it, the memory roots grow deeper and stronger. Japanese students don't cram the night before a test. They spread reviews across time, keeping knowledge fresh and ready. Number 4, Kaizen, the art of continuous improvement. Kaizen is the Japanese philosophy of small, steady progress. You don't need hours and hours of study time. Just 6 focused minutes a day can make a massive difference. 2 minutes of active recall, 2 minutes of spaced repetition, 2 minutes of focused practice. After a month, you'll be at least 30% better without feeling exhausted. Number 5, Su, the art of pure focus. All the best techniques mean nothing if your mind is scattered. In Japan, students train themselves to enter Su, a state of deep, undisturbed concentration where they become one with the task. They use simple rituals to signal the brain that it's time to focus, sitting in the same study spot using the same pen or lighting a candle. Over time, these rituals become powerful mental cues, making it easier to slip into focus mode instantly. Think about the last time you truly mastered something. Maybe a sport, a video game, or a skill. You didn't just watch others do it. You practiced. You failed. You adjusted. You improved. That's how real learning works. So you have 2 choices. Go back to cramming and forgetting, or start using these Japanese techniques today. And if you found even one of these strategies helpful, consider giving this video a like and subscribing for more practical tips you can use right away. The most successful people won't just hear this and scroll away, they'll take action. The question is, will you?